Spelt is one of the various species and numerous varieties of cultivated wheat and was an important grain in Europe from Bronze Age till medieval period. Through 1800s and early 1900s and cultivated in Mediterranean. In late 1800s spelt was brought to US and production was increased in during early 1900s. Spelt has slender and loose spikes measuring 12.5 to 20.5 centimeters long. Each spikelet possesses 2 grains which is enclosed in glumes or husks after threshing. It is very hardy and is able to tolerate nutrient-poor soils. Spelt is water-soluble and could be digested easily than wheat flour. It is acceptable for people with wheat sensitivities and is a substitute for some people who are intolerant to gluten, though it is not gluten-free. It is suitable for those who have celiac disease or is allergies to true wheat. If one is not sensitive to wheat, then also it could be added to the diet. Flour of spelt has high content of protein and low calories in comparison to wheat flour. It has ample nutrients and is a great source of manganese, vitamin B2, copper, niacin, protein, phosphorus and fiber. The outer husk is tougher than wheat. Thiamine has various roles in the body. Vitamin B is required to convert carbohydrates into energy and to keep body systems in check, especially when it involves in nerves, muscles and brain. It has limited role in immunity and helps to lower anxiety, stress, which weakens the body's defense against disease. Spelt contains these vitamin B, which helps to prevent diseases. Spelt solo won't safeguard from various viruses and bacteria which is responsible for sickness. Yet it contributes to maintain healthy for long term. Spelt is an excellent source of iron, which is a component of hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is found in red blood cells which help to carry oxygen-rich blood from lungs to various body parts. The deficiency of iron makes one difficult for red blood cells to carry out oxygen to body parts. Foods rich in iron are red meat, beans, raisins, spinach and red food. As some foods are fortified with iron, spelt contains it naturally. Spelt has various minerals which are essential to maintain bone health. It has zinc, selenium, phosphorus, magnesium and copper. These minerals are helpful to create and strengthen bone tissues. Increase an intake of minerals to maintain healthy bones, which prevents the chances of osteoporosis and age-related conditions which have negative impact on bone health. Niacin helps to keep the body's systems running. It has limited role in regulating hormones. To be precise, niacin interacts with adrenal glands which produce sex hormones. The foods rich in vitamin B3 such as spelt are essential to be consumed, because if hormones are out of sorts then life would be difficult. Being a great source of niacin, its regular consumption keeps the hormones in check both physically and psychologically. Spelt has high content of fiber which prevents the chances of constipation, gas, bloating, diarrhea and cramping. It adds bulk to stool which makes the movement easier through digestive tract. It also speeds up the rate of nutrient absorption by the body and improves the quality of life. Spelt has soluble fiber which balances HDL and LDL cholesterol levels. It also prevents blood from absorbing LDL cholesterol and clears arteries of heart from plaque that could cause stroke and heart attack.